Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is can. Here is a picture of people who can swim. Here is can in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Can means to have the ability to do something. Can. There is no past progressive or present progressive, but past could or was able to, present can, and future will be able to. Let's build a sentence. She can. Today, we will use the present tense. Let's build a sentence. She can what? What can she do? She can swim. Can is a verb that is very often used in the English language. We use it when we express that someone is able to do something. He can speak Spanish. Express that something is possible. The kids can stay at our place after school. Ask for something. Can I have some water, please? Ask for or give permission. Can I go to that party tonight? Yes, you can go. Offer to do something. Can I help you? Let's build a sentence. She can swim. Where? Where can she swim? She can swim in the pool. Let's build a sentence. She can swim in the pool. When? When can she swim? She can swim in the pool on the weekends. Let's build a sentence. She can swim in the pool on the weekends. Why? Why can she swim? She can swim in the pool on the weekends to practice. Let's build a sentence. She can swim in the pool on the weekends to practice. Why? Why is she practicing? To go to the state championships. Oh, she's a really good swimmer. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.